If you have a high-end resort or a luxury hotel, you should be conducting regular facility condition assessments. I'm Britt from WBTreece Consultants and WBTC3.com. We're going to give you 4 reasons to conduct regular FCAs. Number 1, identify your maintenance needs. You already have those things scheduled out. What an FCA firm is going to do is come in and take an outsider look at that schedule and that plan and see how it's actually performing. Sometimes fish in a bowl know what water's like, but they don't know what water isn't like. There may be some things that are missing from your maintenance plan. If you're having regular maintenance issues come up despite your plan, you may want to have a firm come in and look at your facilities. Number 2, an FCA is going to preserve your aesthetics. If you have deteriorating finishes and systems, facilities outside, inside finishes, floors, walls, ceilings, guest rooms, recreational areas, and or you're getting regular complaints from guests about the quality there, you may want an outside look at those facilities. Number 3, we're going to ensure safety and compliance. An FCA is going to take international standards of safety and service and operation and apply them to your property. If you're having safety and compliance and operational issues, you may want an FCA conducted on your hotel or resort. Number 4, an FCA is going to optimize operational efficiency. That is to say, we are able to take a look at systems and processes that are in place and help improve them to save you time, money, energy, staff, and guests. Check us out at WBTC3.com. We'd love to work with you.